What's up guys, welcome back to another video. By the end of this video you'll know exactly why your product does not sell. So stick it till the end and you'll learn this new trick today. Okay, there is many reasons why a product does not sell. First reason, it can be I want to talk about the business model that you do. There can be many business model. You can do retail arbitrage, you can do private label, you can do wholesale, all this kind of business. I will give you the reason for all of them, why the product does not sell. So first of all, let's say for example for the retail arbitrage, why you find a product, you get a great price and you list it and it's not selling, and why not? So for example, I will jump in my computer so I give you a practical example how this actually working. The first reason can be you don't win the bike box, and the bike box, it means uh, people doesn't see your product. It's see not from yourself, you'll see it from your competitors. So what do I mean by that? Let's search here on Amazon UK a random product. Let's see, headphones. Okay, let's see headphones. Let's see for example, okay, this one. You can see here are 21 sellers that sell this exact product. What do this mean? So here, this is the buy box. It's called the buy box because people compete to win this part here to get the sale. Usually who win the buy box get the sale, because it's I'm looking for a customer perspective, and is what you actually see when you want to buy this product. So as you can see, there is 21 sellers here that sell this product, but customer what actually see this, and do you see this part here? This page from and sold by Amazon. Basically Amazon is in the game selling this product. If you know something, relatively, if you sell the same product as Amazon do, you're not going to be able to win the buy box, or at least you have to undercut by very big margin for you to win the buy box. So Amazon will win the buy box most of the time. If you click here, when you see the other people who selling those products, look at how many people selling those products. Those are other seller, third party seller that sell this the same product. So this is maybe not the perfect example, but let's pretend that Amazon did not sell this product. Well, first of all, you have to be the cheapest to win the buy box. Second, you have to be prime. If you are the cheapest and your product is not prime, the guy who have prime will even if the price is higher than yours, he will win the buy box, because Amazon like to make their customer happy with fast shipping, so they prioritize their prime sellers. Basically, having a prime product basically means having the product in the Amazon warehouses. So you have to be prime, you have to be the cheapest. You can win the buy box if you still have, if you are still not prime, but you have to undercut the guy that is prime, but at least 15%. You have to be cheaper by 15%, because I don't know, it's kind of what I find out. And yeah, again, you have to undercut by big margin the guy. So another thing is your account has a, like, if you are brand new, you don't have a very big track history on Amazon, so they will prioritize again the sellers that are older and they have good track history, like they ship fast, they do customer service, and all these metrics increase your ranking in the buy box, if I can say so. So like, if you competing for the same product, you sell the same product that you are brand new, and someone selling for 3 years on Amazon, for example, Yeah, most likely they will win the buy box, even if it's prime and you have the same prices. Most likely they will win the buy box. Normally, when it's the same price, like for your closest competitor, the buy box will be switched between like you and them. Like for example, if someone it's 16.99 and this guy likes for example 16.99, will be switched between you once and them once, you once and them once. uh, yeah, this is one reason if you do retail arbitrage. Let me find if I can find another example here, which is pretty much those brands. I think all of them it's sold by Amazon. Let's see this one, 10 sellers, if it's still Amazon in the game. No, this one it's a better example. I think I sold by this seller and fulfilled by Amazon. So straight away this is prime and it's 10 people competing for selling this product. Okay, this guy win the buy box. So let's see the other ones. Some of them are used. Let's click only new. So only new. Okay, as you can see, this guy price is $49.99 and it's prime. They have 99% positive reviews and it looks all good. Do you see those other guys? $15.99, $50.99, $51.99? Yeah, all of the time these guys will win the buy box. Yeah, this is a very good example. And if you don't win the buy box, it's very unlikely that someone clicks here to see other products, because is the best choice. Amazon find out who wins the buy box is the best kind of balance between fast shipping, price, and all the stuff like that. Obviously, if you like, for example, I give you a kind of far away example, but if you find a product in China on AliExpress that it's the exact one, but it's cost 15 pounds and it will arrive you in more than 1 month, I think you'll be more happy to pay 50 pounds and to get it the next day instead to saving like 25 pounds and get it in 1 month. So which one will be more happy? So this kind of equilibrium trying to bring Amazon, like fast shipping and price and all the stuff like that. The next one, for example, if you do private label, this is most likely your product is not ranking. Again, I can give you the example for the headphones. Let's see, for example, you find headphones, you sell those headphones, you brand it through your own brand and you're trying to sell it. And like headphones will be the main keyword, right? Okay, you can add a lot of keywords, but let's presume for only for headphones. Do you see with how many people competing you? You're competing with a ton of seller, and look how many pages there, 20 plus. Who thinks in the right mind will go on the last page to buy your product? If your product is on the last page, nobody will see it. It doesn't matter how good is it, how cheap is it, all this stuff. It doesn't matter. If nobody see it, nobody buys, right? It's normal, like for everything. If you don't see it, you can't buy it. So do you see those guys on the even on the what is it? The fourth page, yeah. Those are sponsored. Forget about. Do you see they have a lot of reviews, but it's not even on the fifth page. You can make a lot of money if you can rank. You can be able to rank because like those, you see they have 5,000 reviews. It's cheap, and yeah, one of the reason is not ranking. You can see if your product is ranking. For example, you go into your seller center, you go into report here and business report, and you can go in this one. As you can see here, like for example, this product is being seen by in the last month by 12,000 people, and yeah, I get 10 order and I win the buy box 32% of the time. So basically like from 12,000, 35% of it mean like 300 400 people maybe, they see my listing, my from my store, not from my competition, right? And like from 400 people, let's say, I get 10 orders. So I don't know, it's not too bad, not too good, but and this is one way to see if your product is being seen by someone. For example, let's give you like this one is being by 172 people only in the last 4 months, and I win the buy box 59% of the time. So basically it means like I don't know, 80 people see my listed from my store and I get 4 order. And if you see like for example this one, in 1 month you get only 9 sessions. It's a clear idea that your product is does not sync. And for this problem, you can run ads to and bid for some keywords. I mean, this is depends for how much profit margin. Usually for retail arbitrage does not work in ads, but for private label it's working very good ads. And I show you like the ads. This is, do you see, for headphones? Let's see. uh, let's see any ads here. Where they are gone? Okay, let me refresh one more time for this keyword. Okay, this is yeah, like my past history. Come on, any do you see this sponsor? So basically those guys here, they bid on this keyword like headphones, and they show like this one ranking organically by Amazon, ranking this product based on the thing that I say. This one ranking because those guys paying to be on this spot. And yeah, for the ads, this is not gonna show you here. It's for ads, it's a complete separate video. Another good example, do you see this product here? There is 14,000 sessions. There is mean a lot of demand, a lot of people want it, but as you can see here, I never win the buy box. So it doesn't mean the product is bad. It doesn't mean there is a lot of demand actually, but if nobody see it from my store, they'll buy from other store. I don't win the buy box because I know already I'm too expensive on this product, for example. But this is only to give you an understanding why. This is the video of today. If you learned something, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you have question, if it's something not clear, let me know in the comments. Also, again, smash like, smash subscribe, notification, and follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. That's it pretty much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye bye.